Your workflows can now automatically generate new Google Meet spaces with pre-configured settings. This is perfect for setting up compliance-mandated meetings or for standardizing your internal processes. You get granular control over the meeting, including settings like access and moderation to manage who can join and how the meeting is managed. Best of all, you can easily enable 3 critical features right from the action: auto recording, auto transcription, and auto smart note generation. This ensures every essential meeting is captured, transcribed, and summarized without a single manual click. Let me show you how simple this is to set up in a flow. Here we have the action. You can see the options to be able to control who can join. There's different access types, which if you hover over this question mark, you can see the difference between having it open, trusted, or restricted. This way you can easily restrict access to only invited users. As an added layer of compliance, toggle on auto recording and auto smart notes generation. This makes sure our process is compliant and that everyone gets a clean summary right after the meeting ends. This feature is available to all of our users.